Really loud thunder, very bright lightning. See if I catch it again, it's like a whiteout. It's a very bright flash of light. You can barely see. February 20th, 2011. Probably shouldn't be doing this when I'm driving, but I want to get some thunder snow on tape. Right around Detroit Metro Airport right now. Well, we're approaching the airport. Well, we're about probably a couple miles away from it, actually. I don't want to shut the camera off because if I do that, that's when it's going to start lightning. Should watch the road a little more. It's just blinding snow right now. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm going to shut the camera off at the 5-minute mark, and I'm sure right after I do that, there will be lightning. We're in an open area right now, so all you see is literally white. We're right by Detroit Metropolitan Airport, and it is just a whiteout. So much for 1 to 3 inches of snow followed by freezing rain. There's a hell of a lot more than 3 inches of snow. I gotta gotta shut the camera off because it's getting hard to see out of the windshield even with the wipers on full blast, so we'll see. February 20th, 2011.